It is right here. So guys, I was approached earlier by two young guys, apprentices. JT, you have a senior tech. How do you get this oil pan off? So, you know, my spider sense kicked in. I remembered the last time I was doing an oil pump on a Grand Cherokee with a 3.6 Pentastar valve. I remembered that I had to lower the cradle, guys. Now, these young guys, I guess their senior tech didn't tell them what it entails. He just told them to take the oil pan off. Well, look, the oil pan is just hung up right here. It ain't coming out. Guess why? Because you don't have enough clearance between here and the engine. Yeah, they got the engine jacked up. You see, they got it rigged up pretty well to hold the engine up, and they got the jack stand holding the engine up. There's still not enough room. You have no choice, guys. I try to tell them, look, you can see the motor mounts loose right there. I don't want to touch nothing because I don't want nothing to fall, but this oil pan is not freaking coming up. You can't clear it. I tried everything. Y'all know me. I'm the king shortcut. I don't want to take nothing off to do an easy ass oil pump. I don't know if they doing that. He just said you got to remove the oil pan. Maybe he is doing an oil pump. I don't know. But look, guys, you have no choice. And what's crazy, if you look at the books, the instruction, or the internet, get on the internet and look at the instruction, it says to drop the cradle. Now, granted, that may be a little far-fetched. You might not have to drop the cradle. You do, however, have to lower it because you simply have no freaking clearance. All right, this rack got to come out. The rack is what's holding you up. If the rack one here, see, if the rack one here, you can slide that out. But the rack here, so you're going to have to drop the rack from the damn steering link and bring the whole cradle down somewhat. All right, yeah, I took all of this off. I was over there just primed, looking, internet, YouTube. Guys, it's a pain in the butt, but you have no way around it. Now, I came over here to see that they find a way to get it out without dropping the cradle. And I find out they just stopped. I guess they're going to wait on the senior tech tomorrow. But what are you guys? How you guys doing this? Anybody ever done an oil pump on a Jeep Grand Cherokee or a Durango? They have the same suspension system without dropping the cradle. Yes, another guy used to work here. He dropped the whole cradle on a jack and just did everything like that. But everybody's looking for shortcuts. Shortcuts might not be there all the time, guys. Don't break nothing trying to find shortcuts. It's aluminum, so you got to be careful. See, it feels like it's about to come, but it's not because it's hanging up right here. And no matter how much you lift it up, when you lift this up, it's only so high it's going to go. You're going to be lifting up the whole car, and at that point, you're defeating the purpose. So I'll let y'all know tomorrow if he pulled it off, okay? Maybe they work under my Russian buddy. Maybe my Russian buddy knows something I don't. But I'm going to be here in the morning to find out if they got that out without dropping the cradle and not breaking anything. That's the key. Don't break nothing. All right, guys, I got to go. This is crazy. We're going to find out. Everybody want a shortcut. I got to go.